Oh hey, if you like glamour, gold, and dramatic transformations, you're gonna love today's episode. Perfect. Welcome back to Laugh Cry DIY. I'm your host Katie, and today we have a very exciting, very special guest.
Hey host! It's me, Kristal Adams.
Please welcome Kristal Adams, channel best friend, comedian, stunner, and today we are here to help Kristal dramatically transform two dressers. So we're gonna go get them right now. Kristal, why are we making these over today?
All right, I'm so tired. We've been with them for a long time. Actually, me and my husband, when we met, we each had these. Like, we didn't buy these together. We bought these separately. We each went to Ikea at different points in our lives and then bought these before we met, which that means it's meant to be.
Soulmate soul dressers. Oh, and by the way, Kristal's husband is here. He's French.
Yeah.
So these are the Ikea Malm dressers, and they are in great shape. They are a perfect candidate for a makeover. If you have them in your own home, you can do so many fun things with them. And today we're gonna go for a very, very different style.
We're gonna take them from Ikea to Mariah. I want to give them personality. We're gonna elevate, we're gonna innovate, we're gonna glamorify, we're gonna glamour size, by which I mean we're making them white and gold.
Which is very Versailles.
Oh, hey, hey.
So we are gonna take these beautiful butterflies and make them the dressers of Kristal's dreams.
Yes, emancipation.
So this is a super fun, super easy project. Clearly, as we're demonstrating here today, this is something you can do in a small space or apartment if you're at home. You don't need a full garage. So we're gonna start by wiping these bad boys down with a 50-50 vinegar and water mixture. I don't know if you guys can see, we have a little bit of like stickiness, kind of like from a price tag or residue. Pro tip that works, I'd say 90% of the time, get olive oil. Sounds weird, and you just rub it on it, and I think the oils break down the adhesive somehow, and it gets it right off. But now we need to go back over that with some major degreaser so that that olive oil patch does not ruin our paint. Next step, we're taking out the drawers. And we have a major moment of cry because there's something we just realized.
Oh yeah, we realized we missed a pun opportunity. A pun opportunity. From Malm to Mariah. I'm so mad.
All right, now that we're wiped down, it's everyone's favorite time, sand time. And what is the name of this paper?
Papier de verre.
Which translates to paper of glass.
Yeah, glass paper.
Glamour. Wow. Okay.
You like that? You like it rough? With that piercing noise?
And we're gonna wipe down. And the reason we have to sand Ikea furniture is because they're always made of laminate. And laminate was born blessed because it has no pores, unlike regular wood. So paint doesn't like sink in or stick to it. So that's why we have to sand and prep it with a primer before we actually paint. Today, we are supporting small business. We are using products from Miss Lillian's chalk paint line. This is primer, and it is called Uncle Jeff's Swamp Mud. Now, this is a petite jar, and we have two big dressers, but it's pretty thin, so we are hoping that it will last because I ordered the wrong jar size. Cheers. Really quick, while we are waiting for the primer to dry, I'm gonna show you guys the thing that will make you the most jealous of Kristal. Are you ready? Oh my God, look at the tile in her bathroom. Look at the color. Purple, pink, and black. Oh my God, so jealous. Okay, so we have coated everything, and we used about like a third of this little container. So 10 out of 10 on the primer. And next step, we are going to add stunning, gorgeous, elegant, long, luscious handles. So we're gonna drill those holes. And I have my beautiful trusty cabinet template. And we're simply marking out exactly where we want those to go. Okay, so Kristal has never drilled holes before, and we didn't feel like this was like the time to start with the fresh holes. So I went around and I drilled all the holes, but when you're drilling holes for hardware, sometimes you will like accidentally drill in at an angle, but I find it very helpful to go back over to make sure that your screws will easily go across. So Kristal is gonna go through and she's gonna do that now.
Yes, we're calling these affirmative action holes. That's when a white person has already cleared the path for a minority to, you know, just live, and it's really like really leveling the playing field, if you will. And now we're gonna do a light sand with a 220.
Do you know what that means?
Not at all.
220 grit sandpaper, baby.
Time for a wipe down. Rubbing it in, rubbing it off.
Off, please off. So have you painted furniture before?
A long time ago.
What'd you do?
I have no idea, but I know I did it. I think well, when I was 5, I painted my bed against my mother's wishes. I wrote my name, spelled my last name wrong, and my middle name wrong, actually.
That's adorable.
I sounded it out.
Time to paint. Today, we are using Miss Lillian's No Wax Chalk paint. This is bright white, super easy. We're gonna do a coat. I gotta stop flipping stuff on the, okay. We're gonna do one coat, we're gonna let it dry, we're gonna sand it, we're gonna do another coat, and then we're gonna see if that's white enough. Ooh, they're looking so good. How do you say paint in French? Panda. What color white do you think Mariah would describe this as?
Memoirs of an Imperfect Angel White.
Wiping down. Pro tip, when you guys are doing your next coats, go in the opposite direction to the last coat you did. So if you did long, do short and wide.
I messed up on this one.
Okay, that's okay. Kristal, don't say that on camera. We have done 2 coats. I'm gonna leave Kristal to coat this and seal it with a clear poly, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do our final glam touches later. And the girls are back. Kristal has done my favorite thing, which is all the work to finish coating these, sealed them, we've let everything cure, and now it is time, now that the dressers have their base foundation on, now we're gonna do a fun, glamorous eye. As they always say, drawers are the eyes of the face of the soul. So we're gonna start our glamification process today by adding incredible, stunning, gold reflective mirroring to the, what do we call these?
Interstitials.
Yes, to these interstitials. So very simply, we ordered these. These are called duck mirror. Ooh, ah, ooh. This is duck mirror tape. You can get it on Amazon, linked below. It's highly reflective, highly mirrored, highly stunning, and we're just gonna add it to the interstitials. All right, now we are elegant, we're glamorous in this house. And like I said, we are doing not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, 7-inch luxurious gold pulls. And now is the time where we put the pulls on the cabinet, which means that we spend 500 million hours figuring out if we drilled the holes wide enough, if they're in at the right angle. If you guys ever struggle to get hardware in at home, you're not alone. There's millions of us. Lol, this one went in perfectly the first time. Not to brag. annoying in French?
Tu m'énerves.
And what does that translate to?
It's like you're getting on my nerves.
Ooh. So amazing.
All right, we have drilled, we've sanded, we've painted, and now it is officially time for your
Big reveal.
That was today's episode. Thank you so much to Kristal for being our channel best friend today. Kristal, how do you feel about your very glam makeover today?
Listen, if I could hit that high note, that Mariah Carey high note.
If you guys like this, make sure to like. If you want to subscribe. And most importantly, you guys should check out Kristal's brand new comedy album.
It's called Ain't I a Wombat, and you can find it on my website, KRISTALAdams.com.
Linked below. Buy it, check it out, give it to your mom, give it to your mom's neighbor, and most importantly, stay glam.